The 2021 Genesis GV80 earns IIHS top safety picks. Plus, now a few weeks after Tiger Woods' crash, the IIHS confirms that inside a top safety pick vehicle is a good place to be when everything goes wrong. Now, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has now issued the top safety picks to a record 92 vehicles for 2021, based on its testing and strict requirements for crash protection in lighting. Now, the Genesis GV80 results just released on the morning of March the 18th are a good example of what kind of critical, testing that needs to take place and what the manufacturer must meet. Now, if you always wondered whether the insurance agency goes out and buy these vehicles and then smashes them into barriers, well, to tell you the truth, yes, they do. Now, a few weeks after Tiger Woods unintentionally demonstrated the crashworthiness of the 2021 Genesis GV80, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has now added its own seal of approval. The Genesis SUV earned the top safety pick plus award in the IIHS testing announced today. That means the GV80 aced all the physical and crash tests, plus additional tests for electronic, crash avoidance, and headlights. The Genesis G70 and G90 sedans also made the list. They're among more than 90 vehicles to take home that honor, of which 50 got the stricter TSP Plus designation. Now, when it comes to crashworthiness, Brian Lotuff, Chief Safety Officer for Genesis North America, told Car and Driver, "You have to design with the end in mind. You start with the front structure, the subframe, the cradle, the foundation architecture, design challenges. Then there are the restraint systems and the electrical system to enable those. Now, it's a complicated process to ensure everything works in harmony under the duress of a crash." Let's look at this GV80. It's just epic, folks. Epic and safe. That's a good thing to know. Now, while Genesis is obviously keen on earning these accolades from the IIHS, it's not a company that furnishes cars to them. Now, the GV80 results were available right away because the IIHS had to go and find some cars to destroy. They go buy them from dealerships, said Lotuff. If a man scores particularly well, or if a car scores well or badly, it can end up on display at IIHS headquarters in Virginia. It's still unclear what the fate of the Tiger Woods GV80 will be, but presumably Genesis will get to do his own postmortem after crash tests, after the investigation is finished. So again, the Genesis has scored high, folks. The GV80. And this is Automotive Reviews. Just letting you know that information. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome and fantastic day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching. And I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.